Guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is we are going to make a juice that helps to clear out parasite. And once you have in this juice once a week, ageless. Some people do it every morning, but I do it 2 times a week, but you can do it however you want to do it. So I will be using celery, ginger, parsley, just a small bit of garlic, turmeric, and the apple will be the sweetener. So I am going to wash everything up and we'll get straight into the juice. And if you're new here, guys, welcome to this channel. And if you're here with me all this journey, thank you so much for being here. So let's get straight into this video. I will go and wash all my ingredients and I'll be right back. So guys, I've finished washed all my ingredients and we are going to just cut the celery. Just like this. You don't need to cut it up. I'm still using my new juicer. So we're gonna take this bit off. And we are going to cut it up just like this. So there you have it. You don't need to see, I've washed them, run the water through them with the baking soda and rinse them so they are nice and clean and ready for juicing. This bit I might keep to use for decoration. And we are going to quickly peel our pineapple. And the pineapple will help with inflammation in the body. So people with arthritis and those kind of things, you should make a juice like this. So this juice is good for so much things. I won't throw away my pineapple skins. That is it. We don't need to cut the pineapple up too much. So we put these, and I'm going to cut the ginger and the turmeric. So we're not going to use all the turmeric. So the ginger is anti-inflammatory, help with muscle pain, boost immune system, fight infection, and protect our cells from damage when we are aging slowly. So ginger is so good. So we're gonna put this amount of ginger in here. And as for the turmeric, it's an anti-inflammatory. We don't even have to cut the turmeric up. Anti-cancer agent, protects the body, and I think it neutralizes from the free radicals. From what I can remember, it helps with the pollution in the body, that you get rid of excess toxin. So this is why we're adding all of this to our juice. So now we're gonna use an entire celery. So now we're gonna use our parsley. We don't even have to cut this up, just put it in the same juicer as is. But I'm gonna take off just a little bit of the stems, and we're gonna use some apples. I'm just gonna core a few. This one is so big, but I know it will go in. It will go in the juicer because the juicer is very big and spacious inside. And you know that apple helps with gut health. Has a lot of fiber in it, vitamin C, and it also helps with type 2 diabetic. So we're gonna throw them back in the bowl. We're gonna quickly take some of the skin off the lemon, and the lemon hydrates us and helps to alkalize our body also. And if you want to support this channel, you can hit the join button. So we have 2 apples left to core. Give you a close-up look. Ooh, look at that, look at the juice. Oh. So now we're going to clean up our area and start our juicing. So now our area is all set up, so let's get into it. We're gonna pull our lid, and this week we're using the apple. So we're gonna pack our apples at the bottom. Wow. We'll pack some pineapple in. Let's see how much we can get in this week. We'll put the lemon in. We'll put a few more apples. Maybe 2. No. Pineapple. This apple. And we're gonna work with this, okay? So now we are seeing our Kuvings Auto 10 cold press juicer, hands-free. Wow, with the hooper and automatic cutting technology, is going crazy. I just love this juicer. So let's have a close-up look. As you can see, juice is being accumulated in the mixing bowl, and soon we'll have a full mixing bowl. So guys, what I need you to do is try out making natural juice. It's good. So let me test the trash. Look how the apple trash is dry. I tell you, I juiced some celery last week off camera, and everything was as dry as a paper. That's how it squeezed the juice out of it. Now we have the pineapple, we have the apple and the ginger and the lime and a few pieces of turmeric. Wow, look at how the juice looks in the juicer. Mixing bowl is almost full, and you know what time it is. So guys, we are going to let out the first batch of juice. There you have it. And we are going to go again. We still have a fair bit to go. Look at this, how rich is this. Let's show you from the side. Wow, look at that. So guys, we're going to put some more ingredients in, which is the celery, and we're going to go again. We're going to put the turmeric, the ginger. See, it's all falling into place here. And the parsley, and 1 apple. So let's see how that goes, how much we'll get out of this. So this machine allows users to load up a whole or large chunk of produce, which is then auto cut and juice, saving a whole lot of time. And it is also easy to clean. A lot of people are saying they don't like to clean juicer, but this is easy. Majority of the trash is out, and what is left, you just washed it and packed it away. Look at this turmeric. I am going to use this in a smoothie when I'm finished with some yogurt, almond milk, and this is going to, my gut is going to love me for this. Wow, look at the juice. The motor is also quiet and powerful. So now I'm gonna show you my garlic, which I'm gonna add, and you won't even taste it, guys, but it will do wonders to your body with the ginger, the turmeric. That will blast the parasites out, keep them out of your system. You wanna stay healthy? Try making some natural juice. So now our mixing bowl is full. So we are now going to let out our second batch of juice. Wow, look at that. And we don't add the garlic yet, but this is what's going to kill the parasite along with the rest of ingredients. This is a very powerful drink. So we're going to add the rest of things in the juicer, and we're going to continue. We're going to replace our jugs also, because as you can see, this one is full. So we are going to put the rest of ingredients in the juicer, and this Kuvings Auto 10 is working wonders for me. So we're going to put some parsley in, and this is the way to go. You feed your body right. What you put in is what you're going to get out. So we're going to chop the 4 head of garlic, and we are going to turn our juicer on. There is the trash, and we can use this to make smoothie. And this one with the turmeric I'm going to use, because the turmeric trash is very good for the gut. So we are doing some batch juicing today, which will serve me for 2 days. This machine gives you a high quality, vibrant juice. So let's keep going. Let's test the trash. Look how dry it is. It squeezes the juice out of the celery. So I will only use the turmeric to make my smoothie. So we are going to let out our third batch of juice, and this is all green. We still have a few bits in the juicer, so we're going to keep going. So now we are on to our fourth batch of juice, and I am enjoying using my Kuvings Auto 10, and this is just a cool machine. The motor is very quiet, and I am enjoying using it. So let's talk a little bit about the ingredients. So the parsley help with improve your bone health, and it is an anti-inflammatory properties in it. It has that in it, and it helps with bloating and much more. It lower blood pressure, and the celery helps with hydration. It helps with lowering blood pressure also. It has anti-inflammatory compound supporting heart health and lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, and it also aids in digestion. If you have high blood pressure, celery is so good for you. So guys, here is the fourth batch of juice this week. So here you have it, and we are going to serve our juice. Look at that. So we have one yellow, which is the turmeric, the pineapple, wow, the ginger, the apple. Ooh, and look at this, guys. Wow. And remember, the garlic is in it to kill the parasites. Look how delicious this looks. Yellow, and we have green, and we're going to combine them together, and your gut will love you for this. And we all know that ginger is good. It helps with muscle pain and much more. I will list some of the things in the description. So now we're going to serve our drink, and we're going to mix the turmeric, pineapple, and apple. And we are going to switch over. And we are going to serve our drink. That is it, guys. So there you have it. Hope you all will try this drink. Like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now.